International Math 1 students, this is International Math 1, Module 1.1, homework help. And the instructions are to determine the y value of each ordered pair based on the given x value. So in this case, we're given an equation, y equals 2x plus 5, and we're given 3 unfinished coordinate pairs. And the x value, as always, is the first given piece of a coordinate pair, and the y value is the second piece. So if we're given that x value, the assumption is then that we're going to plug that in to the equation in order to figure out what the output will be and what our y value is. So let's hop to it and see what happens. Y equals 2 times 4 plus 5. Now all we have to do is the math. Y equals, using order of operations, 2 times 4 is 8, plus 5, and then we complete that task by saying y equals, and 8 plus 5 is 13. So the missing value over here, the missing coordinate piece, or the y value, if 4 goes into this function, then 13 will be the y value. All right, so let's move on to an x value of -1. Y equals 2 times -1 plus 5. And let's use our order of operations. Y equals, and then 2 times -1 is -2 plus 5. And y equals -2 plus 5. Oops, see, that's a plus. -2 plus 5 is +3. So if we head on up here, if -1 goes into the equation, the resulting y value will be 3. Okay, so now let's move on to the third one. If 0 goes into this equation for x, what will be the resulting y value? So we have y equals 2 times 0 plus 5. And then we start to simplify. 2 times 0 is 0 plus 5. And so 0 plus 5, of course, is 5. So if 0 goes into this equation, is the x value going in, the resulting y value will be 5. So we have determined the y value of each ordered pair based on the given x value, and we have used proper order of operations, and we have used our negatives properly, as in the second problem, and thank you very much.